Hi guys, today is Sunday and we're gonna make a grilled cheese today because it is kind of like breakfast time, and let's get started on making a grilled cheese. So I'm gonna grab a plate right now, got a plate, and then we're gonna need a toaster to toast the bread and the grilled cheese, which is right here. I'm gonna grab this one. It opens up and then you put the bread here. This is what's gonna. I have one loaf of bread and 2 square cheese pieces that I'm gonna use. Okay, now we're gonna open this up. It's a little tricky. Okay. I'm not gonna use the butt of it because that's the worst part. So, perfect. Got 2 pieces of bread here. Gonna close it up because you have to. Okay. So, I'm not gonna add the cheese yet because I'm gonna wait for this thing to warm up. I'm gonna grab white cheese here. I'm gonna do it on this side because it's all heated over there. I'm gonna grab a slice. So, this is the cheese, little holes in it. Okay, now let's get our grilled cheese ready and started. So, I'm gonna first place the cheese with holes on the bread. And I'm gonna grab the other cheese, the square cheese, and peel off the wrapper. I'm just gonna place it on here. This thing's making noises, so if you guys hear something, you guys know why. Okay, now I'm gonna place the other piece of cheese, just like this. And then we're gonna place the loaf of bread directly on the center, so you wanna make sure all the cheese on here, and then place it on directly in the center, like this, just like so. Then you squish it down a little bit, not too hard, not too little, just place it down a little bit. And then you're gonna put it in the center of your plate. It's making noises. So I got the spatula where I'm gonna flip it and put it in my plate. I'm gonna get this off, wait. It's looking pretty good, really good actually, like really good. So, put this on time lapse while I wait for this thing to start. Okay guys, I'm back now. Let's flip this thing and get it on plate. Ooh, that looks good. Perfect. Perfect! Okay, so here's my grilled cheese that's for today. Oh, very cheesy, nice. That's hot. Perfect. Grilled cheese. This thing is delicious. Now I'm gonna do it. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna be in this. So I told you guys we're gonna go to the store, but we're gonna actually try out these blood oranges. The only thing I ever tried, I remember, was a grapefruit. So we're gonna try blood orange today. I'm just gonna cut open this bag. Okay. Let's grab this one out. So it doesn't look like a blood orange. It looks like a regular and ordinary orange, except it's a little bit more pointier here. So let's cut it open and find out. Okay, so, and I might actually make some juice out of this. Oh yeah, I think it's just a regular orange. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's actually really good. These things are delicious. Oh my god, this actually is really pretty. Wow, that is cool. Now we're gonna, so it's actually really pretty. That's cool. So I'm just gonna cut it like this. Center. It's really pretty. I'm gonna cut it in half one more time so I can like eat it. Oh, wow, that is very pretty. I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. It tastes like a sweetened and sour orange. It's really good. It's like really good. I really like it. Delicious. Okay, it's really good. Yeah, one more bite. Get a cup more. That was really good. Look at that. This would be perfect in orange juice though. Or like red juice. This is like really good. You guys should actually try this. And it looks like a regular orange. But it's a blood orange. And once it stays for a long time, it looks like this. Which is cool. This thing, like more bigger. So I'm gonna cut it in half.